Let's install Visual Studio Code and then look over the Getting Started walkthrough. Open up Ubuntu software. Type Visual Studio Code. Click on Code. Click Install. For brevity, we will refer to the application as VS Code. Click on Show Applications to open up VS Code. This is the Getting Started walkthrough, which helps you with configuring VS Code for your particular development environment. Let's quickly go through each section. First, select a visual theme. Common language syntax highlighting extensions can be found here. This button takes you to the commonly used settings. The shortcut for settings is Ctrl-. This allows you to use a GitHub or Microsoft account to sync between devices your settings, shortcuts, extensions, and even UI state. Your command palette gives you access to all the VS Code commands. That is, all the UI interface actions such as opening files, editing, and running tasks, etc. all are equally accessible from the palette. To open a command palette, enter Ctrl-Shift-P, where of course P stands for palette. Typically, you will open up a folder to designate it as your VS Code project folder. You can open a folder here, or from the File menu, or by typing Ctrl-K followed by Ctrl-O. This will take you to a Getting Started video, which will help you familiarize yourself with the user interface. On the same page, there's also a link to other introductory videos covering code editing, use of extensions, debugging, version control, and more. This is the Learn the Fundamentals walkthrough. From here, you can explore the various extensions that can integrate into VS Code. You should be able to find the extensions for all major languages, such as Python, C++, JavaScript, Rust, and more. VS Code has a built-in terminal, which you can access with the Control backtick. Note that the backtick key is usually found left of the 1 key. If using Git as your software version control, then this is a good place to install it from. There are possibly hundreds of keyboard shortcuts. When you have mastered the ones that you need to use to do your work, then they do make your life a lot easier. Customize the shortcuts to best suit your own personal preferences. You can return to the walkthroughs at any time by clicking Open a Walkthrough. So that completes the installation of Visual Studio Code. For more help, refer to the VS Code documentation.